Mr. Sergi Mavroди, which is the founder of Triple M. So Triple M Global is a self-managed community by participants aiming providing each other with financial help on the principle of gratuitousness and benevolence. So if I go fast, just say, you are like a health drink, can you please slow down and I'll just know that if you have any questions, you can raise your hands and then we can just attend the questions before you go to the next slide. Thank you so much. Right, Triple M Global Community. Triple M is a global community of financial aid donation exchange. Triple M is a social network that connects the one who wants to donate money with the one who wants to get money. Participants transfer money directly to each other, peer-to-peer system, no central bank account, it will not collect your money. Meaning that we as the members of Triple M, if you're not yet a member, that is when I will just explain to you. We're helping each other as members, that's why we call each other participants of the community. So if you want to get help, you just request to get help. And if you want to provide help, you request to provide help. You will be allocated a person that you need to provide help to, and then you will be allocated the person that needs to provide help to you. So when do you provide help? You provide help if you declare your willingness of helping the next person. And Triple M doesn't have a central bank account whereby we saying that the money is kept there. There is no central bank account with Triple M, and Triple M will never collect your money. We're helping each other as the members and as the participants. These are the brief facts about Triple M Global Community. It started in 2011 as a new project of Sergi Mavroди. As you can see on the banner, that's Sergi Mavroди there. It started in 2011 as a project of Sergi Mavrodi in Moscow, Russia, to create a new fair financial order as a world mutual aid fund community, primarily to free the people from the bondage of financial slavery, and is speeded up at the very first day of its beginning. So Triple M Global started in February 2015 in South Africa. It was started by Mr. Vusi Mlambo. He's our captain, he's from Devon. He was in Russia, and that's when he get to know about Triple M, and he requested them, is it possible for me to take you to South Africa? And they granted him the request. That is when he started in South Africa. So I believe if you are a member, you also know that it has speeded up. Since February up until now, it's less than a year, but we're already on over 1 million members that are participating on Triple M. Sergi Mavrodi, the founder of Triple M. Sergi Mavrodi is the founder and the leader of Triple M Social Financial Community. Triple M is sure to be his life work, but not the only one. So he doesn't only do Triple M. Sergi Mavrodi, having a degree in mathematics, he worked as a programmer and took part in the development of the first operating systems. The company he founded was one of the leading computer equipment distributors in Russia. He was a deputy of the Russian parliament. His literary works were published and they were also sold in bookstores. 2 of his screenplays were made into movies. His poems were turned into songs. So if you want to watch one of his movies, you can just go to YouTube. There is Pira Media. You can watch the movie. I think it's 1 hour 45 minutes. That's one of the movies that he also wrote. And then if you want to read some of his books, you can just also Google them or just go to YouTube and you will find the books. Now this voluntary network becomes a community of millions and millions of people in more than 100 countries worldwide. So it's not only Russia, South Africa, and some other neighboring countries. We have Philippines, we have China, we have Lesotho, we have Swaziland, as the list goes on and on. It's the fastest growing community in the world and is #1 donation exchange program and $14 billion assistance provided. So how many members do we have here that are already participants of Triple M? Okay, that's excellent. So I believe you will agree with me when you say $14 billion assistance provided if you have already received help from some other members of Triple M. Triple M gives you a technical basic program which helps millions of participants worldwide to find those who are in need and those who are ready to provide help with their spare money. When we say your spare money, we meaning that you don't have to take your last salary, as you know, let's say for example, as the saying goes, don't put all your eggs into one basket. So when we say you participate with your spare money, for example, I'm earning 2,000 rand, and I said after paying my rent and school fees and stuff, I'll be left with 200 rand. Then I can just declare that I'm willing to provide help with 200 rand, knowing that by the time I get the participant to provide help to, I'll be having that 200 rand. That's what we call your spare money. Instead of you declaring that you want to provide help or else you don't have that amount to provide help. How does it work? When you declare the willingness to give help by clicking on provide help in your personal office, your account will be credited with Mavros. Mavros is an internal currency of the system. It's more like our currency of Triple M, but when you check on the system, it will be your ZAM, which is going to be your rent. So Mavro amount will start growing from the moment of the deposit at the rate of 30% per month. The calculation of interest occurs twice a week, on Tuesdays and Thursdays. This sum in Mavro shows how much you can request yourself. Say you have announced your willingness to participate and to assist with 100 rand, you will be credited in your personal office with 100 Mavro, and they will immediately start growing. The minute you just put there after clicking on provide help that you're willing to help the next person with 100 rand, it will be credited into your account. It will also start to accumulate interest. Immediately you just process that order. And they will immediately start growing. A month later, this 100 Mavro will become 130 Mavro. Accordingly, you will be able to request assistance for 130. So your 100 rand within 30 days, it will be 130 rands. We are offering a mutual aid program with 30% growth per month for donations, growth of Mavros per month. Provide help and receive 30% more. So I believe we can all agree that with our South African banks, the highest rate that you can get on your investment is 3%. Because I checked myself recently. I had a 32 days account before I was introduced to Triple M. And when I checked, it's still like I only accrued 47 rand in a year. So with Triple M and in South Africa it's still new, we're still on 30%, or some other countries they're on 100%. So the more we grow, the more we also wanna get the benefits. So you put your 100 rand, 30 days is your 200 rand. So I don't think I will be able to wake up in the morning and I'm going to work, because I'll be busy doing what I'm doing now. So this is your 30% structure. For example, let's say on your first month, you declare that you want to have the next person with 200 rand. On your first month, that 200 rand of yours will be 260. And in 6 months, that 200 rand will be 966, which you won't even get it from the bank. So even for your 500 rand, if you provide help with 500 rand, on your first month it will be 650, and in 6 months' time it will be 2,400 rands. And also the list goes on with your 1,000 rand, your 12 months, your 1,000 rand is 23,300 rand, your 2,000 rand in 12 months is 46,600, but it's also on the plans that I also gave you, and the 5,000 rand as well. In 12 months, your 5,000 will be 117K, whereby it just grows. That's my yes. And we're also having the nicest thing about Triple M is the registration bonuses. To all those who are not yet members, I will urge you to make use of this opportunity, because after having registered and making the first donation, you will receive a bonus in the amount of $20. Only if you donate from $50, which means 800 rand going upwards, you get your $20 absolutely free, excluding your 30% growth. That $20 is the bonus. It also grows on a monthly basis by 30%. So as a new member, I won't advise you to start with the 200 rand or 200 rand. You can just hit your 800 rand and then you get in the bonuses, which is whereby it's $20. With our current rate of our rent, I think the rent is 15 rand and something cents. So when you take that 20 multiplied by the 15 rand and something, you get your 300 plus, freely given to you. If you leave it there, it will also grow by 30%. So then it is from, you get your $50 if you donate from is it $500? Yeah. From $500 you get $50 absolutely free. Which means from your 5,600 going upwards to 30,000, you get your $50 absolutely free. And then if you donate more than 30K, you also get the $100 absolutely free, which is only for new members. It's called a registration bonus. So if you are already an existing member, you won't get the registration bonuses. We also having, thank you so much.
Is it possible for, say for instance, I provide the tablet.
If you
provide the tablet,
yes,
I introduce that bonus.
okay, okay, the amount. It will be your 30%. Let's just go to the calculator. It will be your 30% of your 800 rand. So our rent is 16 rand. 16 multiplied by 20. Your bonuses as a new member, if you put 800 rand, it will be 320. That will be growing by 30%. So that 320 plus the 30% from your 800 rand. That's what you'll be getting as an interest every month. Thank you so much. We also having a referral program, which is called a referral bonus. That is why I am here today. We're enjoying the referral bonuses as well, because each and every member that will be signing up on this today, she will be getting the referral bonus, which means she will be getting 10% of the amount, regardless of how much it is. You can donate, you can provide help of 50,000, she'll get her 10%. So you get, in the referral bonuses, you get 10% from all donation of the participants you invited. So she invited all of you. If all of you sign up and you're making that 200K, she's getting her 10% of that 200K. Inviting new members from the community is your additional contribution to its development. So the more you invite members, the more you will be contributing to the development and the growth of Triple M. You will be also getting bonuses as well. Become a manager by finishing the manager's task and end manager bonuses. That is whereby I push most of the people to do it. So that is where the money is at. So when you're reading most of the testimonies on the website, you will find no family is withdrawing 1.3 million. For us, it says not within a year. And then we withdrawing the 1.3 million from the manager's bonuses. So on the manager's bonuses, managers of Triple M community can create their own multi-level structures and get a bonus from each of the donations of every participant in their structure. Meaning that, let's say for example, Uma was signed up under Usisi Lorraine, and she brings some other people under her. Those people also fall under her. As a manager, I get all the bonuses from her up until to the 9th level. So you'll be creating your own multi-level structure. This is a multi-level bonus, thus a manager can have his own leader whose rank is higher than him. Manager bonuses varies depending on the level in the structure. There's a structure, become a manager by finishing a 10 days online schooling and end manager bonuses. Just to clarify something else, the online schooling is absolutely free. You do not pay anything to attend the course. What you need at least to have a device that has Microsoft Office and Skype, that's it. So don't be fooled when you see some other adverts out there or somebody else telling you that it's 5,000 rand, I will train you. That's all a lie, that's fraud. It's absolutely free. Even to join Triple M, it's absolutely free. There is no registration fee at all. Because we as managers, we're getting bonuses and we're also getting expected bonuses just like that from Triple M. So there is no use for us to charge some other people their amount to register because it's absolutely freely given to us. So the manager's bonuses, the green one, that will be me, my green Mavros. And then that will be the first level. I get 5%. When you become a manager, you get 5% from your first downliner, which is going to be your first participant donation. You get 5%. On the second level, you get 3% of the amount that they put in. On the third level, you get 1%. Up until to the ninth level, which is you getting 0.01%. It doesn't matter how high the percentage is. At the end of the day, that percentage, it grows by 30% on a monthly basis. So it can be your 10 rand, it's fine, it's yours, it will grow. Every Tuesday and every Thursday, you see it grow. So it doesn't matter if it's 10 rand or 5 rand, it goes by 30% on a monthly basis. We also use Bitcoins to exchange globally. So when it comes to Triple M, Bitcoins, they are like your number one thing. So because when you provide help in rent, what will happen is that you will be on the queue to dispatch for you to get an order. You will be waiting for like 4 weeks, almost a month. But in Bitcoins, within 5 to 7 working days, your order is out. So, but Bitcoins, they can do an order fast, but remember, they can be a bit higher. They are like any other currencies. So Bitcoins they are our access to global community. You can be given a participant in Philippines, in India, to provide help to, whereas we're in South Africa. So Bitcoin is a conscious network that enables a new payment system and completely digital money. It is the first decentralized peer-to-peer payment network that is powered by its users with no central authority or middleman. From a user perspective, Bitcoin is pretty much like cash for the internet. So there is no way that you will hear me saying that I'm going to the bank, I'm going to draw my Bitcoin, or say that Mama, take I've got Bitcoin, I'm giving it to you. You cannot touch or see a Bitcoin because it's a decentralized fund. No, there is no administration fee, no registration fee, no manager's cost fee. So everything is absolutely free. While Bitcoins, the Bitcoins that are easy to use, they are very secure, they are open, and they are very fair. So when it comes to Bitcoin, there are minimal fees. So you will find that the fees